Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I'm here in my home office mastering IRS tax negotiations for a tax debt settlement. That's what I'm going to be talking about. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I have been in private practice for 41 years. I'm an expert, a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've been on the national TV many times. Just go to my website at 777irs.com. I've been on Fox, News Nation, Newsmax, CBS, NBC, a bunch of other stuff. Anyway, one of the big problems that people have in getting their offer and compromise accepted is they don't know really what they're doing. They have no clue. They don't want to pay someone. They think they can negotiate IRS by themselves. Yeah, you can try. You can try, and some people are successful, but about this many people are. They just happen to have a perfect storm to have that offer and compromise accepted. Offers are very difficult to get through. I know that. I used to work the program. I used to accept offers and deny offers and compromise. So I'm telling you, very, very difficult, very difficult process. Anyway, mastering the negotiation. Well, it's a really misleading word, but a lot of people say, how can I actually master that? The only way you can master that is someone who's had IRS do your offer, no matter who it is. But they got to be in the collection division. They got to be a revenue officer. If not, what people do, they claim, oh, they've mastered it. That's a bunch of crap. You can't work enough offers to master that. You have to see hundreds and hundreds of cases to have a clue how to, I've worked thousands of cases. So to master that, you have to understand that IRS is going to drill down on two things. Listen to me, two things. This is what you got to know. They're going to drill down on your income and expenses. They want to make sure they got a good handle on your income. They may look back 3 years at your past income to make sure it's a good income number. And they want to make sure your expenses meet their national standards. You want to know what their national standards, just simply go ahead to Google IRS National Standards Program. You'll learn the different standards that they're going to use for your expenses, and they're not going to use yours. This is all part of mastering the offer and compromise. Then they're going to look at your assets and make sure you got true values. By the way, if you have real estate, they're going to use Zillow.com, and they're going to use Zillow and realestate.com. Anyway, if you need me, give me a call. You try to master IRS by knowing those two things. I've done this a long time. Call me if you need me. Give me a subscription. I really appreciate you.